Potty training your puppy is one of the first and most important lessons for a happy, clean home. Potty training should begin with developing a schedule that both you and your puppy can follow. Keep in mind that sticking to a consistent schedule helps your pup understand the desired behaviors you are coaching them to learn. It also helps them anticipate the desired behavior you're training them toward. These housebreaking tips will help you teach your puppy where and when to go while avoiding common mistakes along the way. Establish a potty training routine. New puppies, especially those under 8 weeks of age, should be taken outside every 1 to 2 hours, especially after they wake up, after play sessions, and after eating or drinking. This high frequency is because puppies 8 weeks and younger are still developing their bladder control and are more likely to have accidents in the house. Of course, accidents are a normal part of the puppy potty training process, so remember to be patient during this time. Choose a consistent bathroom spot outside and always take your puppy there on a leash. While they're relieving themselves, use a specific word or phrase, like potty, so they learn to associate the command with the action. Once your puppy has finished, reward them immediately with praise or a treat to reinforce the behavior. Wait until your puppy is completely finished before offering praise or rewards. Puppies are easily distracted and may stop midway if interrupted. Stick to a feeding schedule. Keeping your puppy on a consistent feeding schedule makes housebreaking much easier. Typically, it's recommended to feed your puppy 3 meals a day. Feed your dog each meal at the same time each day. They will naturally eliminate shortly after eating, so developing a consistent feeding schedule can avoid confusion and may help to prevent accidents in the house. Additionally, remove your puppy's water dish about 2.5 hours before bedtime to reduce overnight accidents. Most puppies can comfortably sleep for 7 hours without a bathroom break. If your puppy wakes you up, stay calm, take them out quietly, and return them to bed without turning it into playtime. Supervise closely indoors and recognize signs when your puppy needs to go out. Until your puppy is reliably potty trained, supervise them closely while indoors. Tie them to you or a nearby piece of furniture with a 6-foot leash when not actively playing or training. Watch for signs that they need to go out, such as barking or scratching at the door, circling or sniffing the floor, restlessness or sudden squatting. When you notice these signals, immediately take your puppy to their designated potty spot. If they eliminate, reward them right away. After giving a positive reward, play with your puppy outdoors for a few minutes to avoid creating a negative connection with returning indoors. When out on the yard, keep your puppy on a leash during the housebreaking process, treating the yard like any other room in the house. Use confinement when you can't supervise, like crate training. If you're unable to watch your puppy, restrict them to a small area where they won't want to eliminate. Another option is crate training. Crate training is a very effective tool to help potty train your puppy and also create a safe place for your puppy to call home. Dog crates help puppies find a quiet place to eat and rest. Dogs do not like to eliminate where they sleep or eat, so training your puppy to be comfortable in a crate is a great way to prevent them from having accidents inside. The crate should never be used as punishment, but it should be used whenever your puppy cannot be directly supervised and for nap time and bedtime. It can also be helpful to feed puppies in their crates. If your puppy has been confined for several hours, take them straight to their potty spot as soon as you return. How to handle potty training accidents. Accidents will happen, it's a normal part of training. Here's how to handle them. Calmly take your puppy to their outdoor potty spot. Praise and reward if they finish there. Never punish your puppy for accidents. Scolding or rubbing their nose in it will only make them fearful and slow progress. Clean soiled areas thoroughly to remove scents that might encourage repeat accidents. Every puppy is different, and some understand potty training faster than others, but with patience, consistency, and positive reinforcement you stand to achieve the foundations of successful potty training. So sticking to a regular schedule, supervising your puppy, and managing accidents correctly, you'll set your new companion up for success in your home. If you found these tips helpful, hit the notification button, like and subscribe.